Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Sephora. And I did dye my hair blonde and I did it myself and it wasn't with a kit, so that's why it looks all horrendous like this.
Yeah, and I used the same dye she first used and it didn't really do a whole lot. It was just a temporary type of dye or semi-permanent, and so my hair is just like not that much lighter, but we're trying to go blonde, so I get some permanent.
Yeah, I went to Sally's, which is like a beauty supply place, and I bought bleach. But I think I should have used 3 packets. I thought my hair was like pretty thin, so I thought 2 would work, and it didn't cover all my hair. So it's like I give myself my own low lights. So I have like brown kind of maybe like really dark blonde plus this gold color like in my hair.
I like her hair color. I think it's pretty.
Okay, so when I open it, it looks like that. And a lot of people keep calling me her, which is crazy. But anyway, do you want this?
I used to have blonde hair for the longest time, so it's not surprising.
So it came in a beautiful blue bag.
The theme is beauty in the wild.
Okay, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. Is this the bonus thing, probably? I don't even know how to say it. Bulgari, Omnia crystalline. I might be saying that wrong.
This gem of a scent will make you feel like you're sparkling, no glitter required. The fragrance family is fresh. The top note is lotus blossom, and the bottom note is bamboo.
Okay, and the second thing I am pulling out is Dry Bars Detox Clear Invisible Dry Shampoo.
It says it keeps your hair fresh and clean, no telltale residue. No one has to know you didn't get a chance to visit the watering hole. You shake it well, spray on the roots 4 to 6 inches away, and allow it to dry. Gently rub in and brush through.
And then, is it Styla? How come we don't know how to say that yet?
I know, I think
Styla
so.
Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner.
In intense black.
And it was like that, like it wasn't closed.
Yeah.
All the way, it was like open, but
it says, don't be afraid to spread your eyeliner wings and soar. This waterproof wonder is super easy to apply and lasts all day and night. And you shake well, glide on as close to your lash line as possible. Use small feathering strokes for best results.
And then I have Fresh's Sugar Mint Rush Freshening Lip Treatment.
It says keep lips moisturized with this cutting edge lip treatment bonus. Press your lips together to bring out a minty cooling sensation. And it says time release ingredients to cooling system gives a minty sensation. Sugar helps prevent moisture loss, and oil blend helps to moisturize and nurture lips. And Kim loves herself some like lip stuff, so.
So my lips are all shiny right now, hopefully. Because I have a problem with my lips, so that's probably why. Next thing is NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment.
And Star Woman. And it says you can't go wrong with a classic red matte lip color, especially one that comfortably lasts through everything from sunrise to sunset. Shake well, line clean bare lips with a custom tip and fill in with color.
And then the last thing is Glam Glow's Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer Nude Glow.
It says keep skin looking glowing, filling dolphin levels of hydrated with this versatile, I just feel like I say that wrong, illuminating moisturizer. Apply evenly all over the face to use as moisturizer. Apply just to the high points of the face over makeup to use as a highlighter.
I like everything.
Me too, although I'd probably put the lip stuff in a giveaway. But if this video was fast enough for you, this is one of the ones that's still only like $12, right, or something.
I think so, and I like everything I got. So good job, Sephora.
6 items.
2 thumbs up.
If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. And as always, we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.